Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of chapter 9, Creative Question Answer 1. I am repeating, today our topic is chapter 9, Creative Question Answer 1. Students, this is our 9th lecture and 9th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 9th lecture and 9th homework. Students, take your book, notebook and writing elements. First we'll discuss about creative question 1 and you have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Chapter 9, Creative Question Answer 1. The stem is Najmul is 13 years old. He likes to take rice with pulses. He does not want to eat fish or meat. He also does not like milk or milk products. His mother is very cautious about it. She always suggests Najmul to eat balanced diet. Now we have to answer some questions. Our first question is, how many basic groups can different food be divided into? The answer is, basic food groups can be divided in 5. I'm repeating, basic food groups can be divided in 5. Okay, next question, number B. Why are the milk and milk products necessary for the children? Okay, our answer is, milk and milk products are essential for children. Till the age of 5 months of a baby, breast milk is enough. Milk is not essential for adults, but milk and milk products are a good source of calcium. Children need 200 to 600 ml milk according to their age, along with other supplementary food. So we know milk is an ideal food for children, but it is not so for adults. But milk and milk products are good source of calcium. So adults can take this type of products for getting calcium, and children need to take 200 to 600 ml milk according to their age, along with other supplementary food. Now come to number C. The question is, describe necessity of basic food group. I'm repeating, the question is, describe necessity of basic food group. Okay, you can write the answer like this. We need food for nutrition and energy. It is essential to know how much food is needed for a healthy person, how much food will keep the body healthy without making it too fat or too thin, and what amount of food will fulfill the exact demand of the body. Necessity of basic food groups. Number 1, a balanced diet needs all 6 nutrients including protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins and water proportionately. I'm repeating, a balanced diet needs all 6 nutrients, protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins and water proportionately. Our diet will be balanced if we select foods from the basic food groups. Number 2, it will be easier for us to meet the needs of our body and to make our foods nutritious if we select food from the basic food groups for our daily diet. Number 3, this is essential to make our diet delicious and thus get rid of the dullness of taking same food every day. Food can be made balanced and cost and time saving too if items are chosen from the basic food groups. So I am repeating the line, food can be made balanced and cost and time saving too if items are chosen from the basic food groups. So if we choose food from the basic food groups, it will be helpful for maintaining balanced diet. It will helpful to save money and will take the taste of different kinds of foods. Now students will discuss about question number D. Our question is, describe use of basic food groups in planning a balanced diet. Our question is, describe use of basic food groups in planning a balanced diet. Students, okay, now we'll discuss about this question. Use of basic food groups in planning a balanced diet. Number 1, 6 nutrients can be ensured by selecting food from 5 basic food groups. Number 2, right amount of food can be selected easily to get sufficient amount of nutrition as we know the serving amount of each food group. Number 3, it helps us select the right grain type that supplies 50% to 60% carbohydrate of the total calories with proper serving amount daily. It also tells us to take 20 grams of molasses or sugar-rich foods daily. Number 4, daily we can get 20% of total calories from protein-containing foods. Moreover, our diet will be balanced and body's demand of protein will be fulfilled if we take right serving of fish, meat, lentils and seeds type food. Therefore, it is necessary to select at least one serving amount of animal protein along with that of a plant protein. Number 5, each person should take 20 to 30 gram oil from cooked food. Students, the spelling will be C-O-O-K-E-D, cooked, together. You have to write the word together. From cooked food every day to get 20% to 30% of the total calories from the food containing fat. Now, number 6. We need to select sufficient serving amount of vegetables and fruits in order to fulfill everyday's necessity of vitamins and minerals salts of our body. In order to do that, we should select vegetables and fruits from the basic food group. So students, by maintaining all these, we can use our basic food groups in planning a balanced diet. Okay, now it's time to give your homework. Your homework will be creative question answer 1 AB. It means AB from creative question answer 1. So please do your homework and don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 9 and homework is also 9. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.